From the local station, News 4 Jax starts now.
We are just hours away from a COVID-19 vaccine distribution at 2 senior centers in Duval County, but there are some concerns.
There's no coordinated plan to vaccinate 800,000 people from a priority perspective, and there's no equity established in the system.
Some local pediatricians say that the more groups of people will be included in plans to get the vaccine soon.
News 4 Jax reporter Marilyn Parker joins us live from Prime Osborne Convention Center, where you still have to make an appointment.
That's right, Janice. If you want to come here, you're going to have to make an appointment. If not, you can head over to one of these 2 senior centers, one in Mandarin and the other at the Laney Wiley Senior Center over on the west side. So a pediatrician I spoke with says even though the city has extended its distribution slightly, he feels more is going to have to be done and pretty soon.
Slowly but surely, vaccine distribution plans are expanding to different sites around the city and state, getting the shots to vulnerable groups.
We're doing 50, 60,000 shots throughout the state of Florida, and we have throughput to do much more, and we're trying to get more vaccines.
Even as more vaccines become available, area pediatricians say this process needs to be more organized and open to other groups of people sooner.
The low-income minority communities that have been so disproportionately impacted by the pandemic, there's no plan, as far as I know, to really identify them as critical priority populations that need to be immunized.
Starting Monday, senior centers in the West Side and Mandarin will vaccinate first responders, healthcare workers, and people 65 and older who have birthdays in January and February and the remaining months through Saturday. This is without an appointment and is first come, first serve. We're told distribution plans at commercial pharmacies like CVS and Walgreens are in the works. Dr. Goldhagen says distribution should be fair.
In minority and low-income communities, in the same context that we have food deserts, we also have pharmacy deserts. So any plan to distribute vaccine through pharmacies would, by definition, from the outset, result in inequities.
He says there should be plans in place for elementary schools, health, community, and emergency operations centers to prepare to distribute the vaccine for when the supply becomes available.
And between those 2 senior centers, the city says they hope to vaccinate 1,000 people with the Pfizer vaccine. Now, for more information on every site doing these distributions, you can head over to news4jax.com. Reporting live at Prime Osborne tonight, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.